Hello and welcome to our classroom library. If you click on this picture, it will come up like this, and you actually can interact with it, which means that you can click on different things and it will bring you to different places. So if I click on Epic right here, it will bring me right to the Epic homepage where you can go look at any book that you want to read. The same thing if you go to Mayan, it will bring you to the Mayan website where you will type in your information. Or if you would like to listen to a read aloud done by me, you will click on any of these books. So we already have Pete the Cat, which is posted in our library, and it will bring you right to Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. And it's the same for every book. We have a book on Babe Ruth with baseball. If you click on that, it will bring you right to a read aloud on Babe Ruth and all of these books. If you click on the poster right here and you just feel really, really tired and you don't really feel like reading, you can click on this to try to look for some motivation. It's a motivational video with a bunch of kids talking about why they like to read and why reading is important. If anyone needs a resource for their parents, you can click on PS5 Strong and it will bring you to the Facebook page. And if you click on me when you're done reading, if you choose to read any of these books, we have Pete the Cat, Babe Ruth, Pig the Pug, Frog and Toad. I had to make 2 videos for Frog and Toad because it's a longer book. I Am Perfectly Designed by Karamo Brown. If you choose to read any of these, I really would appreciate it if you then clicked on me because it should bring you to a reading response questionnaire. So all you do is you fill in your name. So I would write Miss Kaiden. You would write whatever your name is. And then you would click on whatever book you read. So let's say I read Pete the Cat. And then tell me something about the book. And then you just type in something quick. So you could say, in this book, Pete really loved to sing about his different colored shoes. You could say that. You could say my favorite part was any of those things you're going to fill out on this form. So I really hope that you take the time to continue to read. I can see who's reading, and I think that we need to do a little bit more of that. So I hope that this motivates you to read a little bit more, and this is a fun way to do that. I will be reading more books. I have made more than just this. This is just for this week. So please read, read, read. Enjoy.